Hey friends, if you wish to disable automatic driver install and download in your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, first of all, to avoid manufacturer drivers from getting installed, search for check installation, device installation settings, and then click on this option change device installation settings, and make sure that it is checked at the second option. No, your device might not work as expected. It's okay, just check it at this one and click on save changes, and this will stop automatically downloading the manufacturer's app and custom icons. So this will help a lot of users. The next solution is through the registry editor. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Go to HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version and driver searching. Okay. In the right pane, we will create an entry named search order config. Actually, it already exists. Simply double click on it and change the value data to 0 and click on OK. This will stop driver updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.